They say three's a crowd, and these artists certainly drew one in. The faculty and AP art students at Burlington High School put together a small exhibition to demonstrate three seniors' artwork portfolios, ranging from 2D and 3D design to a full room installation.
What we had, first of all, is a small art show that we've called the portfolio exhibition. It's usually juniors and seniors who have been in the program for a while, and it's their body of the best work. And we did it just with the AP students this time. They really wanted to do it. They were on internships, but they wanted to come back. The three girls, Michaela Giordano and Anna Pearl and Reese McLean, they all had a lot of people who showed up. It was a great little event.
After coming back from virtual art events over the past few years, students and teachers are excited to have their work experienced up close and personal.
Last year we held it online. The year before that we held it online, and the AP students, the AP Studio Art students, presented their work online to invited family, friends, community members. This year was the first time we've done it in the last few years. We used to have a larger show in the lower library. We still will do a large March show, a school-wide exhibition, probably in the lower library. My guess is next year. But the larger shows are always something that are a lot of fun, get a lot of attendance there. When we offer a fashion design class, there's usually a runway, but everyone's invited, and it's a really good time.
With students continuing to grow their art portfolios at BHS, there is hope for more in-person exhibitions in the future. This is Ferris Connolly for BNews Weekly.